What's good? I'm extra bored, so I'm gonna make you watch me eat a pudding. The spoon is ready, nigga. Let me sit up because this is not feeling right. Pillows and shit. You know it's not me if you don't see the T, which is this motherfucker right here on my leg. That's how you know it's not me. If you don't have the tattoo right here on your motherfucking leg, you ain't there. Alright, back to this motherfucking pudding eating adventure. And I know my hair looks a mess. Don't even gotta say shit. This shit just changed colors on me. I don't know what else to say. I mean, shit, it's Monday. I'm eating pudding because I'm bored and I'm gonna make you watch me finish eating it. I'm about 3/4 of the way done. I'm definitely brushing my teeth after this. This shit is sweet. Almost done, almost done. I'm not in a rush though. Because I ain't got shit to do. See, and I hate the bottom because you really can't scrape up all the shit because it's shaped and. But I'm content. And that was me eating a motherfucking pudding. Bitch.